Hi, this is Mani, PicOS Technical Marketing. In this video, we will see how to use Ansible Playbooks to verify Layer 2 or Layer 3 functionality in PicOS-V switches. Ansible Playbooks can be used for many things. You can use it for day-to-day policy enforcement. You can use it for network compliance check. You can also customize workflows by you can check the real-time status of the network. If there is a problem, you can take corrective action dynamically using Ansible Playbook. So here are the things that you need to do to run Ansible Playbook from AMCON. You will create group of spine switches. So playbooks are run on a group of switches. So we will create group of spine switches. Then you have to get the playbook ready. In this case, our goal is to verify mlag, which is a layer 2 functionality. We are going to verify that using a playbook. And the playbook is run from AMCON, but it is actually run on the switches. You invoke it in AMCON. Playbooks are run on PicOS-V switches. So let us see how to do it. I'm jumping into AMCON. In Lifecycle, you can click Group Management. You click Select All, and you select the switches that you want to check mlag functionality. In my case, these two. Click Create Group. Give it a name and a description and click Create Group. I already created a group. The group is called Spine Switches Group. It has these two serial numbers. Those are the two spine switches. So what we are doing is we are going to verify mlag functionality in two spines. They are PicOS-V switches. Then the next part is running the playbook. So you go into Automation Playbooks, click the playbook, give it a name. So give it a name and a description and click Next. So you select this playbook and cut and paste the playbook that is given in Appendix D of AMCON Evaluation Guide. So here is the playbook that is in the guide. Mainly it's calling Show mlag Domain Summary to check the domain between the two spines. It also checks the link summary, make sure the mlag link is established. So once you do a save all, it'll be saved. So here is verify mlag functionality, and you click Run, and it takes few minutes to run. You go to the job list, and you will see that it finished running. You click Show Task Result and click Result Output. So here you can see on the this particular serial number, which is spine 2, it is checking the link and everything is up. The lag link is up. Similarly, it goes and check the next spine. We are running it against two spines. Similarly, the mlag domain is checked here on the spine 1 switch. It says established, and then the spine 2 switch, it's established. So that's how we verify, we automate verification of layer 2 functionality.